Good morning students, I hope everybody is fine and studying well. Today we are going to study lesson number 17. The lesson name is pronoun. Okay, so you all know about noun. Okay, noun is the name of person, place and things. So what is pronoun? Pronoun are the word which is used instead of a noun. So pronouns are used instead of noun to avoid the repetition of noun to which they refer. As you will read in the book now, first passage, lesson number 17, first page, there is written one paragraph. Okay, two paragraph is written there. So in first paragraph written, there you will read in first and second sentence that name is repeating in every sentence. Only one person name about which that paragraph is written. And in second paragraph you will see that instead of his name in the next sentences, the pronoun are used. As you can see here in the example, like I, you, he, she, it, we, they, etc. These are the pronoun word which is used instead of noun, in the place of noun. Okay, so that we will not repeat noun word again and again in all the sentences. And about that only I am explaining here. Like fill in these blanks with the appropriate pronouns. As you can see here, first one, dash am sitting on the chair. Dash am sitting on the chair. So what do you write here? I am sitting on the chair. That I word will come as a pronoun. Then second one, dash are watching the match. So what you can write here? We or they, okay, or any two person name, okay, like Ram and Syam, something. Then or dash from Delhi. So what you write here? You, okay, you. Then fourth one, dash is going to the market. So he or she, you can write, or any one person name you can write here, is going to the market. Like this only, I will explain the complete lesson. So students, just I explained to you about that. As you can see here in the fill in the blanks, 2 or 3 I explained to you these examples. Then next examples you see here in the book, that what is the second type of question? One family have come to a society, okay, Manav Kalyan Society, that society name is, okay. There one girl is there about 10 years and she is old and she is introducing herself to her neighbors. So this paragraph is written about the same thing. So what are the pronoun word they are using in that paragraph? You can find out by reading that passage, okay. And so as you see here, I am Harini dash, I have come from Chennai, okay. My father's name is Venkat Raman. He works in a mobile phone. Like that is the words. These words are written, okay, by pencil. It is pronoun word. So like that you have to learn how to write pronoun word in a sentence. So C type of question, as you see here, underline the pronoun in these sentences and circle the noun for which they stand. You have to underline the pronoun word and you have to circle for which noun that pronoun is used. Like this is my lovely pet Crazy. Here is pronoun word and this is noun. Like this you have to write down for all these sentences. The next page you see, D type of question, rewrite these sentences using appropriate pronoun for the underlined words. You have to write down these sentences again with appropriate or suitable pronoun, okay, for the underlined words. What is there now? Noun is underlined, for that pronoun is used. So you have to think and write correctly here by reading according to this passage. As one example is written here according to this example. The next type of question, only these 3 type of questions are there. Then next page you see here, first of all, something is explained here. What is that? Just you remember. Just you listen and remember. Pronouns are said to be in the first. Pronouns are used in 3 different types. So pronouns are said to be in the first person, second person, or third person, as you can see through this example, through these writings. Okay. Next type of question. Underline the pronoun in these sentences and state means identify if they are in the first person or second person or third person. Like I prefer to milkshake. I prefer milkshake to milkshake juice. So what I is the first person and you, second sentence, you is the second person, and third one, he, she or they word will come as a third person, as you can see here in the definition it is given. The next thing which you should remember are these are the words, okay, are pronoun. These are the pronoun which are used in the subject of the sentence, like I, you, he, she, it, they. They are used only in the subject of the sentence, and these are the words which are used. These are the pronouns which is used in the predicate of the sentence, okay, which is must remember these things. These words you remember and how to use that, where you should use that, like you can see in the example here in different sentences. Okay, next page here. Mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs are known as possessive pronoun. Remember, since pronouns replace nouns, we cannot have a noun after any of these words. Like example you can see here. By reading this one and writing this one, you will remember that everything you will understand. Thank you.